Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot to create sales tasks from calls. To authorize HubSpot to create sales tasks from calls, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the left sidebar, find and select the Objects tab. Under Objects, click on Activities. Locate the Calls section within the Activities settings. Ensure that your calling integration is active. If not, follow the prompts to set up your calling connection. Once the integration is established, proceed to the task settings. In the task settings, find the option for creating tasks from calls. Enable the toggle that allows HubSpot to create tasks automatically. Save your changes to apply the settings. Now, navigate to the Sales tool in the main menu. Initiate a call using the integrated calling feature. After the call concludes, HubSpot will automatically generate a task based on the call details. Check the tasks dashboard to confirm that the new task appears. You can customize the task within the tasks section if necessary. Review your task management to ensure optimal follow-up on calls. Your HubSpot account is now fully authorized to create sales tasks from calls. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.